Warning, this is how I personally complete each project. I do have some mechanical and electrical knowledge. Use this video at your own risk. I am not and will not be responsible for any damage that may occur while you attempt to repeat as I do. Always follow all manufacturer warnings and instructions. Consult a professional if you are unsure.
DADDYGVILLE'S World.
What's up, everyone? Today, this video is for the 2004 to 2009 Dodge Durangos and the 2007 to 2009 Chrysler Aspens. I'm going to show you how to change your battery terminals. Let's jump into it. Here's your battery. These are your battery terminals. Positive and negative. Now, these look okay, besides some corrosion, which could be easily cleaned. And just put a couple of pennies there to suck up the corrosion to them. But I'm changing these because they are as tight as they go and they are still loose, which is a pain when your car won't start and you're out and about. Now, I'm using a 13mm wrench to remove these top nuts. Just remember, do not touch the positive to the negative. Now, remove the nut. Then remove your negative cable and lay it to the side. Now, loosen the nut on the terminal and remove it. Then repeat for the positive side. Remove the nut, remove the cable, lay it aside. Then loosen the nut on the terminal and remove it. Now, don't just jump into putting the new ones on. Clean the battery posts up first using a battery post cleaner. You can get them for like $3 to $5. Also, clean your cable ends. Get you some 80 grit sandpaper. I'm using a rotary tool with a sanding disc. Now wipe everything off. Now you can start putting the new ones on. These new ones have wing nuts for quick disconnect. Let's put them on. Red is for the positive side, or some people would say the plus side. Put it on, push it all the way down. Then tighten it up. Put the positive side cover back on, place the wire back on the terminal, then put the wing nut on, hand tight only. And repeat for the negative side, or the minus side as people would call it. Put it on, push it all the way down, and tighten it up. Put the negative wire back on, along with the wing nut, hand tight. And you're done. If this video helped you, hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
DADDYGVILLE'S World.